Robinson, contributing editor for Streaming Media magazine. Welcome to part 2 of the Helix server installation demo. In this session I'm going to show you how to use the sample files that are provided with the installation of the standard Helix mobile server to test the availability of those clips on various mobile devices. The first thing that we need to do is to find the content folder that's installed when you install the demo. This can be found in Program Files, Real, Helix Server and the Content folder. I made a shortcut to it on my desktop. As you can see, there are a number of folders and these relate to the mount points that are installed with the service. In each you'll find a variety of clips of content and these can be accessed through the services that are installed with the server. Now we open the Helix Server Administrator and log in, and up in the top right hand corner you should see the Samples tab. Click that. As we saw before in part 1 of these tutorials, the samples help you ascertain whether the server is working and allow you to test all the basic players that the Helix server can serve. Firstly, let's just check that the streams are working. First of all, we're going to play the Real stream, which should launch the Real player, which we previously installed on this machine. There we go. I'm using remote desktops, so the frame rate will be quite slow. Now we try the H.2.6.4 samples and the 3GP streams. These are what you'll stream to BlackBerry and Android, and they're working fine. We try the Pure MPEG 4 sample, and again that launches in the Real player, and again that's playing fine. The Flash sample we checked when we installed the service, but let's just have another look. Again that's playing fine. Now, when you first install, the iPhone segmentation won't work, so we'll come back to that in a moment. We'll check the Helix playlist, although it's not particularly pertinent to this demo, and this will let you daisy chain a number of different files together into a single playlist. If we watch this for long enough, it'll play a series of different files. And last but not least, we're going to play the Microsoft Silverlight stream. This one requires you to copy the URL you see in the web page down to the Open URL box. Watch out for the bullet point, which gets copied as well. Hit load URL, and a few seconds later we have a Silverlight stream. So one server reaching nearly all the different player formats that you can find in the market today. Okay, so let's now return to the iPhone setup. You'll notice in the description of the sample it states that you must enable segmentation before the link will work. So to do that, go to Content Management, select Media Segmentation, select Enable Segmentation, enter the server IP address or hostname. I'm going to enter the IP address for mine. Apply the settings, and now that we're live with iPhone segmentation, we return to the samples page and you'll see the Play iPhone Segmented Sample link, which has a URL behind it, and down in the bottom left of the browser you can see that URL. Here it's http://localhost/m3ugen/iphone-src/riders.mp4. If you enter that, replacing localhost with the server's IP address or DNS name into your iPhone, or you mount the link behind a hyperlink on a web browser and click that link, the sample will play. iPad, launching in exactly the same way. Let's now check that 3GP streams can reach Android or BlackBerry devices. Again, hovering over the Play H.2.4 link, you can see the URL for the 3GP feed on the bottom left of the browser. Extract that link and replace localhost with your server's IP address or DNS name, and click the link, and after a few seconds the clip will begin to play. That's how easy it is to reach many of the devices available in the wide market today using the Helix server. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I look forward to seeing you next time.